Bigo Live versus Poppo Live, which one pays more? If you want to start live streaming for money, then you need to watch this video before choosing anyone. In this video, I'm going to be comparing the Poppo Live and Bigo Live. Based on their earnings, their payout requirements, which one is actually better for beginners? I'm going to be comparing them based on all these categories. So the first year is Bigo Live. So how does Bigo Live actually pays? Bigo Live actually pays their host through visual cards, and these visual cards can be converted into diamonds, and diamonds are paid as real money. So Bigo Live generally pays higher per gift, but competition is also higher. Now for Poppo Live also pays their host through gifts, but Poppo Live focus more on daily tasks, games, and agency support. So Poppo Live is easier for streamers to start quickly. So if you are looking forward to the best one to start quickly and start earning money, then you can go for Poppo Live. But if you are thinking of the one that pays higher per gift but has higher competition as well, then you can go for Bigo Live. Now I want to be realistic here. Now let's say I'm to compare their monthly earnings. For Bigo Live, an average active host can actually earn $300 to $1,000 monthly, depending on audience and region. But for Poppo Live, an average active host can earn $200 to $1,000. You can see it for Bigo Live, $300 to $1,500. Now for Poppo Live, $200 to $1,000 monthly. Now for Poppo Live, $200 to $1,000 monthly, especially with games and bonuses. So Bigo Live pays higher, but Poppo Live is easier to start. Now if you want to compare them based on their payouts and withdrawal, the both of them actually pays, but they pays differently. Now for Bigo Live, they pays a higher minimum withdrawal. They have strict rules on Bigo Live, and their occasional payout may delay sometimes. While for Poppo Live, they have lower minimum withdrawal, faster payouts, more beginner friendly. So you can see that the minimum withdrawal for Bigo Live is higher than the one of Poppo Live. So you can earn little money on Poppo Live and you'd be able to withdraw it. But in Bigo Live, their minimum withdrawal is actually high. And in Poppo Live, they pay faster. But in Bigo Live, they have strict rules. So which one is actually better for you? Based on how I've been using these two apps for a very long time now, I can say that you can choose Bigo Live if you already have confidence in yourself and if you can stream consistently. And if you want long-term income, you can go for Bigo Live. You can choose Poppo Live if you are a beginner and if you want faster approval or even prefer games and easy tasks, then you can go for Poppo Live. You can start earning on Poppo Live very fast, but on Bigo Live, it is actually going to take time before you start earning. So that is somehow the difference between two of them. Now the biggest mistake people might actually make is thinking that any of this app is a get-rich scheme. None of them is actually a get-rich scheme. It actually requires your consistency for you to be able to start earning on any of them. Consistency is actually what is going to pay you when you are using any of this app. Now Bigo Live pays more at the top, but Poppo Live pays faster for beginners. If you are a beginner and you want to get along easy, you can actually go for Poppo Live. You'd be able to start earning faster, especially when you become an agent on Poppo Live. That is when you are going to understand how sweet it is to be on Poppo Live. Now for Bigo Live, they actually pays very well, but they pay people that are at the top. If you stay consistent enough on Bigo Live, you'd be able to start earning more than someone that is on Poppo Live. But you can easily start earning on Poppo Live if you are new to live streaming apps. You can go for Poppo Live and you start earning very faster than someone who is on Bigo Live. But someone who is on Bigo Live who is at the top can be earning more than you. But it all depends on how consistent that you are. You can be earning very high, more than someone who is on Bigo Live, based on how consistent you are on the game. So you just need to be consistent in any of the app that you are using. There is none of them that is actually a get rich scheme stuff. So you need to be consistent in any of them before you start earning and seeing good results on your dashboard. Right guys, we've come to the very end of this video. Now comment Bigo on the comment section if you are going for Bigo, and comment Poppo Life if you are going for Poppo Life. Tell me on the comment section as well if you want more tutorials in any of them, and I'm going to make that for you. Right guys, see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video to your friends that might need it. See you in the next one.